Not at all. It is taking place at this very now. This might be your only opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu tokens at a discount. You cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba in the new context or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent information about Shiba coins? And how will this impact the value of Shiba Inus? These are the questions I will be addressing in today's video. Additionally, I'll be sharing with you all of the recently released information regarding Shiba Inu that could raise prices. For this video, I did a lot of research. Thus, in order to avoid missing anything, make sure to watch through to the very conclusion. Before we continue, this channel is holding a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. To enter, simply subscribe to the channel like this video and leave a comment with the hashtag of Shiba Inu. Wishing you luck. But before we move on to our subject, let's look at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on November 29. Today's Shiba news price is approximately 827 units. Price of Shibs is up 1.7, with a $137 million 24-hour trading volume in the past 24 hours. The token is now the 20th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of more than $4.08 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Check out our brand new official Telegram channel by clicking the description's link. A tiny market cap jewel that we recently released will skyrocket in value. So, to learn more about the project, sign up for the free group. Let's start the video for today now. Shiba remains in the new revised buying hope with a 60 volatility level. This represents the next price barrier for SHIB. Although there was a minor price decrease when the week first started, there is currently a noticeable push towards recovery. The price chart indicates that the Shiba Inu in particular has retested its support levels, drawing buyers who were keen to buy and push the price higher. It's important to note that a number of on-chain indicators are presently indicating a bullish sentiment, with traders favoring long positions more frequently amid this price volatility. Shib's volatility remains around 60. Indeed, Shibarium, the network that powers the Shiba in the new meme coin, has made notable progress in influencing the market for SHIB. Notably, there's been a rise in buying enthusiasm despite a recent price reduction and inexpensive. The primary coin has recovered thanks to this increase in purchases. Of course, Shibarium has also seen a noticeable improvement in transaction activity. The number of transactions on Shibarium reached an incredible milestone on November 23, when it increased from 29,280 just one day before to 43,690. The most recent Shibarium scan data, however, indicates that this figure has since dropped to 15,680. Shibarium has surpassed 4 million transactions, marking a noteworthy peak, even during a market correction. Shiba Inu's volatility has reportedly stayed stable, suggesting that trade interest has remained steady throughout this time. Maintaining a volatility level exceeding 60, it could stage a bullish resurgence. Moreover, a declining ratio of market value to realized value suggests a situation that is advantageous for purchasers. Given that the MVRV dropped from 1 to its current level of 0.4 to 9 when she purchased the news, it is more probable that holders will hang on to their holdings. A negative RV signifies the asset is undervalued, resulting in potential losses if all ships were sold at the current price. A high MVRV ratio indicates traders traditionally inclined towards selling. What the sheet price will do next. On the 4-hour price chart, sellers tried to push the Shib's price below its 200-day exponential moving average. However, purchasers intervened, as seen by the rebound. Shib's price has been trying to rise over the immediate resistance levels in the last few hours in an effort to recapture previous momentum. Shiba Inu wants to break above the immediate fit channels in order to boost buyer confidence. On the other hand, during a market peak, sellers are expected to open short positions. If the main coin falls below the upward trend line, it may indicate a rising sell-off and move toward a bearish consolidation of about 750 units. It would be very appreciated if you continued to watch. Would you please press the like button? It is completely free and really aids with channel support. However, keep an eye out for the most recent information on Shiba and other updates, as well as what might be in store for Shiba in the future if he manages to survive this crucial moment in time. She purchased a news days after achieving an amazing REMS in this regard. The layer 2 scaling solution based on Ethereum, Shibarium, has experienced a very strong response in its transaction count. In an earlier report released today by UDOT, it was stated that Barium increased from 29,280 the day before to 43,690 on November 24. Nevertheless, as of the time of writing, this number has dropped to 15,680 according to recent data from the Herbarium scan. The steep drop highlights how Barium is still primarily susceptible to erratic emotive pushes. Before November 19, when the uptrend began, in the weeks preceding the November 19 rise, total Shibarium transactions were essentially flat and below 21,000. The Shibarium transaction spike above 21,000. The launch of Shibarium in August on October 31, but there are clear accomplishments. It's been a wild journey for the protocol since. Indeed, Barium has exceeded the 4 million overall transaction threshold. At present, this number remains at 4,229,260. The protocol has created 1,846,624 blocks as of this writing, which, while not as many as some of its counterparts, shows how robust and stable it is and how Herbarium is achieving its goal. It's risky to assume that your Barium is accomplishing its goal. Instead, a comprehensive examination is necessary. Barium is now lagging behind leading competitors such as Sync and Arbitrary Polygon as a layer 2 network should. Nonetheless, its existence has signaled optimism for Shiba and related initiatives since it serves as a protocol that provides the Shiba an identity in the new ecosystem. In addition to the decentralized apps that are presently swarming Barium, the core development team under the direction of Shitoshi Kusama has pledged more distinctive solutions that will accentuate the Shiba in the new system. However, stay tuned as we will reveal more about the Shiba and the new coin and how this will impact the project's worth both now and down the road. In addition to releasing the 4th edition of the Sheep magazine, Shiba Inu offers 5 trends to look out for in the upcoming bull run. The Sheep team has provided new information about the ecology and some patterns to watch for in the upcoming bull run in the magazine's 4th issue. The Sheep team predicts that one of the most popular themes at the next bull run will be blockchain-based game projects. The group also emphasized that tokenization of real-world assets will become increasingly prominent, with many banks already starting to tokenize their shares in real estate. Social media is the social fine. Another trend is DeFi. The group is confident it will succeed. Additionally, artificial intelligence, crypto solutions, and layer 2 scaling will be popular industries. Additionally, the group declared their support for coin merging, a well-known decentralized exchange. The platform intends to relocate Tissue Barium Shib's Layer 2 network and its whole function. Furthermore, a new giveaway of 7,000 NFTs was announced in the 4th edition of the Sheep magazine. In the most recent round, 5,000 NFTs were minted in just 5 hours. according to Shiba Inu. New plans are revealed by Shiva, the primary developer. She thought Toshi Kusama, the bashful developer, had talked about the project's path to total decentralization. According to Hugh Summer, the team wants to provide democratic governance to the Shiba environment. These consist of the leash, the sheep bone, and the upcoming treat. Every token holder will have an equal say in decision-making, according to the study. Hugh Sama also desires community members to take part in initiatives that pick leaders. The group will implement measures like self-sovereign identity to get rid of bots and guarantee transparency. The majority of 2023 has seen struggles with the Shib's pricing. As of January 100, 2023, the tokens are trading for less. Furthermore, the daily chart has seen a 5.1 correction. However, Shiva's supporters and investors are optimistic that the asset will pick up steam in the first part of 2020. It's now time for the primary narrative of the video. She purchased a new burn rate spike that prompts $59 trillion based on market projections that show a 500,000 burn rate for Shiba Inu. On November 27, Shiba Inu's burn rate increased by about 5 million-fold. Users were particularly pleased about the major coin's long-term aims due to the higher Shiba Inu burn rate, which helps reduce the overall number of cryptocurrency tokens. Investor attention may be piqued by the sharp increase in the US destruction rate of Shiba due to its deflationary mechanism for sheep. Because of this, a number of influencers have missed their chance to promote meme currency and garner attention for their posts. Some of them included dazzling assertions that the price of sheep might perhaps hit 10 cents in the future, according to crypto expert Bats from Emma Coin. Crypto analyst Kaleo, meanwhile, informed his nearly 607,000 followers that he anticipated a bullish shift in the sheep price soon, predicting a significant sheep rise on November 20, according to Kilios Research. She might rise, and investors might profit by 74. Additionally, the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF might boost the overall cryptocurrency market and cause prices to rise. Shiva and the new devs also discussed 5 significant cryptocurrency tendencies for the next bull run. The group predicted that when the next bull market starts, tokenization of real-world assets will be crucial. Tokenization of real-world assets based on blockchain technology is known as RAWA tokenization, crypto integration, GameFi, and SocialFi were other important areas. Because they trust in the Shiba in your developers and the real-world value sheep. Many of our subscribers mention that they will not be selling sheets for the next 5 years and will instead hold millions of them. What number of ones do you guys have? Remember to include a list of the sheep you own in the comments area below. Let's give the sheep holder some props for having faith in the procedure. Please give the video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying it. Additionally, feel free to share your thoughts about the Shiba in the new token in the comments section. You can also enable post alerts to receive updates whenever. They upload a new video, but Shiba isn't the only project you should be looking into right now. Indeed, it appears like cryptocurrency gaming will be the next big thing in the field. Check out the video on screen now to learn which cryptocurrency game projects are the greatest to invest in right now. You won't want to miss it, I assure you.